Hello guys, we are going through a vast paddy field and going to learn some English words also. It's not a normal classroom, but it gives you a good chance to learn what the words mean in English. So when I look around, I see a vast paddy field. Here the word vast stands for limitless. And I can also think about the word picturesque. The word picturesque means visually attractive, beautiful, pretty. The fantastic scenario that you can see with the eyes, this is called picturesque. Some other ways to describe something amazing view like this, we can say breathtaking view. Breathtaking means wonderful, awesome, spectacular and stunning. So I hope these words help you guys to describe some beautiful scenario. Now I am signing off guys. Pray for safe journey.